Alright, what's up YouTube? So, as you can see, not in the shed because I thought I had my intro and outro for this video done and realised they were just a bit out of focus and didn't look real good. And so I went to re-record it, but it's now night time and the light that's behind my head in the shed was just way too brutal and was just like, what? It's just too crazy. So, now doing it in the lounge room with Eric the Panda hanging out. Little dude loves tackling that thing. But back to the project. So I made a pendant for my stepmom for her birthday on Saturday, but I actually don't have it now because I've already given it to her. But this is just a bit of a quick rundown on how I made it. I made it from some really nice piece of red gum burl that I had from a few years ago. So if you want to see how it turned out, stick around to the end and I'll throw in a couple of shots. But overall, really happy with how it turned out. So yeah, let's get into it. That's it. Pretty happy with how it turned out overall. Definitely a few things that I could have done better, but there's always room for improvement, so pretty happy, and stepmom loved it, so that's the main thing. Obviously I might have missed a few steps because I thought I had the camera in the right spot while I'm dremeling, and then suddenly I look at the footage and it's just all my hand and you can't see anything. So had to cut a few bits, but overall I think it gives you a pretty good idea of how I made it. So if you want to hit like, that'd be sick. If you want to hit subscribe, that'd be awesome. Check out my Instagram, all that good stuff, and see you at the next one. Peace.